Okay, let's find the missing particle. Okay, equals. Okay, let's look at charge. This is -1, 0, and 0. So this has to be a -1. It has to be negatively charged. Let's look at the electron number. On this side we have +1, -1, 0. So this guy will be 0. It's not an electron. It's not in the electron family that has 2 members. Okay, so let's look at the mu numbers here. This guy's 0, 0, +1. So this has to be +1. Right? Starting to look like a muon. And then there are no taus, right? So there's 0 tau. So what is a charge of -1 and is a muon? Like in this family, right? Well, the one that has charge is this guy, right? So it's a mu minus.